Ever wondered why it's so important to have a healthy gut microbiota? This invisible ecosystem that resides in our intestines is a powerhouse, playing a pivotal role in our overall health. Diving into the composition of the gut microbiota, it's primarily composed of the phyla firmicutes and bacteroidates, with actinobacteria and verrucomicrobia also making an appearance. Within these phyla, there is an extensive diversity of genera, adding layers of complexity to the gut microbiome. The diversity doesn't stop there. Different parts of the intestines host a unique mix of these genera, offering a varied landscape for these microorganisms. Common species that you're likely to find include Gemella, Megasphaera, Pseudomonas, Prevotella, Streptococcus, and many others. Now let's talk about what these microbes do. They are not just hanging out for the ride, they are hard workers, contributing to nutrient metabolism, particularly through the fermentation of carbohydrates. This fermentation results in the synthesis of butyrate, a short-chain fatty acid that serves as an essential energy source for colonocytes and is recognized for its anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Gut microorganisms don't stop at carbohydrates though. They positively influence lipid metabolism, enhance protein metabolism through microbial proteinases and peptidases, and are crucial for the synthesis of vitamins K, B12, biotin, and conjugated linoleic acids. Then there's the role they play in drug metabolism. The gut microbiome metabolizes drugs, impacting their availability and effectiveness. For instance, Eggethella lenta can decrease the availability of the drug digoxin. But wait, there's more. These gut microbiota physically prevent the colonization of pathogenic microorganisms. They do this by competing for attachment sites and nutrient sources. They also produce antimicrobial proteins such as cathelicidins, C-type lectins, and defensins that further contribute to this protective function. The gut microbiota also plays an important immunomodulatory role. It interacts with the gut-associated lymphoid tissues and influences the components and cell types of the immune system. But the gut microbiota is not just about defense and metabolism. It also maintains the integrity of the gut barrier and the structure of the gastrointestinal tract. It does this through substances produced by bacteroids Thetiotei omicron, Lactobacillus rhamnosus GG. This gut barrier is incredibly important. It protects against toxins and pathogens, aids in the digestion and absorption of nutrients, fluids and electrolytes from food, and participates in the fermentation of fiber to the compounds that intestinal bacteria feed on. It also secretes antibodies and plays a role in signal transmission to other cells and organs. The gut microbiota contributes to the structural development of the gut mucosa and can also modulate mucosal glycosylation patterns. These are microbial attachment sites both at the cell surface and subcellular levels. So, in essence, a healthy gut microbiota is a complex, diverse community of microorganisms that play a pivotal role in our health, from nutrient metabolism and drug metabolism to protection against pathogens and the maintenance of the gut barrier. It's the silent partner in our health that we should all be paying more attention to.